Hello and welcome to a new video of Human Made. This time I will show you how I plant my Gladiolus bulbs. I'm going to plant this in here, and these are the purple ones, and I got those out of this pot. I don't know what these are, but I'm going to plant them back after I planted the Gladiolus bulbs. These are the bulbs I'm planting today. Let's open it up. And always keep in mind the pointy thing of the bulb goes up and the more flat side is going down in the soil. And I am just spreading them like this, always the opposite of each other, because that's the easy way to get it all evenly spread out. You have to do this in the winter time. I am a little late right now, so do this before April. Just the opposite of each other, again in the middle. And the last few are going in here. Opposites of each other. And just keep in mind that you have to have 10 centimeters of room between the bulbs. And I am not doing that right now because I have no other pots ready, so I only have this one. This is it. Now I'm getting those little ones. These are the little ones I found. They are already growing, and I'm going to plant these in here, and I don't really know what they are. I really don't know. This is one. Maybe you can see what it is. These are very small still. I'm putting some little bit of holes, flat holes, so that they will stand up, because they have to stand up because they're already growing. Otherwise they fall over, and I don't want that. And I'm hoping, of course, this summer will give me some beautiful blooms. And I'm hoping to see what those little ones are, because I really don't know. These were all this pot, but all at the bottom. So I don't know how that's going. Maybe the old bulbs died off and made little ones, I don't know. Because I found some old bulbs, but they were rotten, so I don't know what they are anymore. I'm just spreading them evenly. And in between the Gladiolus bulbs. And then next year I will get them out and put them in a separate pot. Now I'm getting some soil, just some regular soil, and I'm letting it drop just so that nothing falls over. Just be really careful. Now I'm putting the pot soil on top of it so that it has some feeding in it, because this was old soil, so they need some feeding. Now it's full of sand. I push it down a bit and water it, of course. And then I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.